Good morning, Southeast Idaho. This is your weather hazard briefing for Thursday, December 20th, 2018. Getting started here, we're looking at the impacts today. We don't have any impacts to speak of. Kind of have tranquil weather. We'll have some clouds across the area, mostly high clouds, but those could leave by this afternoon, leaving a kind of a warmer feeling to the day. We'll get into what the highs will be in just a second. And then heading into the all-important travel weekend for the holidays, Friday we will have a fairly low impact system come in, mostly mountain snow, but the bigger impact for this system would be strong and gusty winds, and we'll talk about that in greater detail here in a couple minutes. And then the weekend as well, we have Saturday will be fairly quiet, but snow returns on Sunday area-wide, and then another system for Christmas Eve into Christmas. Won't touch on that too much right now, but just know that there are a couple of systems out there that could impact travel this weekend. Taking a look at current satellite, this is the water vapor imagery. We do see some moisture streaming in over Oregon into Idaho. The drier air is much further south, indicated by the yellows and oranges. We will have the high clouds with us for most of the day today, but still we should see some sunshine peeking through. Not too bad. Looking at highs today, we've got highs pretty much where they have been the last couple of days. We see 40s for most of the snake plain from, say, Blackfoot down through Burley. A little bit cooler once you get up into the upper Snake Plain, and then, of course, in the Central Mountains and Eastern Highlands, we're looking at temperatures a little bit lower, 20s and 30s. So not all in all, not too bad of a day. We do have a system coming in tonight, though, that I mentioned. That's going to spread some snow back into the Central Mountains late this evening into the overnight hours. We have a couple of inches into the Central Mountains. That's going to stream across west to east. Not much to speak of for the Snake Plain, but stepping back here, the upper Snake Plain, Ashton Hill area, Montana Divide up by Yellowstone, we'll see their share of snow as well today. And then into the Tetons, Eastern Highlands area, there could be a couple of inches of snow, but again, not much. If you look at these two images kind of together, not much to speak of for the Snake Plain for most of the population here from Idaho Falls through Pocatello, even into the eastern Magic Valley near Twin Falls. But like I said, we will have some impacts with this system through the Snake Plain, and most of those impacts will be based by wind on the wind. We will have a crosswind, say across I-84 down in the Raft River area, and then a crosswind on I-15 going from Pokey to Idaho Falls up towards Monida Pass too. So we will have stronger southwest westerly winds. So we'll keep an eye on that. We may have to put out a wind advisory at some point, but right now we just wanted to highlight that we will have stronger winds with this system. So these are the gusts tomorrow during the day. So any loose items, make sure to tie down. High profile vehicles would be difficult to travel with. And then looking a little bit further out, this is kind of the outlook through the weekend. Again, today, not much an impact. Friday, we have our system with the wind that I just discussed. Then Saturday, no impacts really, just a few snow showers lingering across the Eastern Highlands. And then Sunday into Monday and Tuesday, that's where we start to, it's a little further out, so the details aren't as fine, as resolute, but we're updating the forecast with each new model run, and we'll have more information on that, both the live briefing today and the subsequent recorded briefings the next couple of mornings as well. So be sure to pay attention to that and pay attention to the forecast, especially if you're traveling on Sunday through the holidays of Christmas and Christmas Eve. It looks pretty active next week. So with that, we'll finish the briefing here, but if you have any other questions or comments, contact us via the channels you see here. Otherwise, you have a good morning and stay safe.